So here's my cool mist system. Got it hooked up to my air pressure at about 60 psi. I'm probably not going to run it that high, but I wanted to make sure all the test fittings were good. Had added a little fluid level meter here. Don't think I need the temperature gauge on that, but anyway, so the way that it works is the air comes in here, and this piece of Teflon functions kind of like a Y adapter. It's like a manifold. One piece goes to the air, which goes straight over here to the module. The other piece comes out the back and goes into the water filter housing, and then at the bottom there's a little pipe that picks up the fluid into the valve that opens and regulates the water flow or the coolant flow or oil flow or whatever it is. It goes up here, and then here's the mixer that turns on the air to the nozzle at the front. So as I turn, I can run it just on air, as much or as little as I want, or I can turn on the water flow. And as I'm turning this, I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand, but you'll see that it's going to be there. There's water coming out right now, and I can tone it down quite a bit. Oops, to making it just a tiny little drop at a time. So now if the airflow is just one drop at a time, I can open up the air. Okay, just a tiny little mist, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. It starts getting a little wet here if I'm going against the side. You'll be able to see the water reflecting. Or I can crank up the water quite a bit more, and the air, and create a real good spray of water. It's hard to see right now, but if I put my hand here, you'll see that it'll start dripping pretty quick. Oh, there you go. That shows a little bit better. So I think this is going to work pretty good. I'm going to turn off the water, turn off the air, and I'm done. Now all I have to do is just bunch up the hoses there, make it look a little pretty, and hang it up, and I'm good to go.